guys, and welcome to today's cleaning video. It has been a little while since I've had a chance to get a video up for you all, so we are just going to ease into things with a quick nighttime cleaning. My husband was actually out of town recently, and the evening before he got back into town, I just wanted to get the house picked up and back in order, so I thought I would record that. Really, I'm just cleaning the living room and the kitchen, and then I had some laundry I needed to fold, so we're going to tackle all of that tonight. So because it's a nighttime cleaning video, I generally like to not talk as much, and I prefer to do just kind of soothing music in case you're doing a nighttime clean too and you're just wanting to relax a little bit and unwind while you clean. You don't want a lot of dance pop music. You probably just want to hear something soothing so that you can go to bed and not be pumped up. So let's go ahead and get this living room picked up.
It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No little by little here. 'Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little, I pour out my heart. No little by little here. I always run and hit the wall. I'd rather jump and risk the fall. I see no limits in the sky. No little by little here. No, no, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help, but I'm just different, something else. No little by little here. 'Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little, I pour out my heart. No little by little here. I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all. Let me fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can be. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all I can be. Let me be all I can be. Give my all, 'cause I don't care if people stop and stare. Let me fly, walk that fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can be. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all I can be. I'll be free, be all I can be. Never ever walk that road again where self-destruction rules
once I finished folding these clothes, I did go ahead and put them away, which I did not film, but I am now headed to the kitchen. It is my usual mess in here, so I just need to get things put away. As always, I have dishes to unload in the dishwasher, and then I need to put these dishes back into the dishwasher and get those cleaned. This table here, I'm going to show you what I've been using here lately, but the footage of me actually cleaning the table was very blurry. I got out of focus, so I did not include that. So magically the table is going to be clean. But after this table, I am going to just quickly make my way around the room and get everything else picked up and put away.
Something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, fire burning bright. But now I know what it was. It was like coming home. It felt like coming home. Had we met before? Instant chemistry. It took me a while to realize that you were the missing piece. It didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, fire burning bright. But now I know what it was. It was like coming home. Yeah, it felt like coming home. I was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by herself on a Saturday night. I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, yet I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? You could say anything, but it could mean everything. Cause you said it to the right person and they needed the compliment. But isn't it sickening? You could say you're in love with them, but it won't mean anything at all. But that's not your fault. Life's funny like that. You lose one thing, get another one back. You thought you knew, but it wasn't a fact. Know them your whole life, but it was all an act. There's no meaning, but like in the best of ways, you could go 100 days without really doing anything and still have the right to say, I'm so incredible, oh yeah, I'm lovable. Cause it's not in the performance, no, there's nothing that you owed them. So feel no need to explain, I'll say it all again. Now you don't have to show them anything. I know it's so frustrating, can't take yourself out the equation. Can't wait longer than your own patience. Can't wait longer than your own patience. Like you're here waiting until you're not. Can't remember what you forgot. You can't take yourself out the equation. Life's funny like that. You lose one thing, get another one back. You thought you knew, but it wasn't no fact. Know them your whole life, but it was all an act. There's no meaning, but like in the best of ways. You could go 100 days without really doing anything and still have the right to say, I'm so incredible.
Well, with me sweeping up these floors, that is going to be it for today's video. Real quick, this sweeper is made by Norwix as part of their floor system. I will link something similar down below. I bought it many years ago, and I do like it for nights like this. But that's all I have for you. I hope you got some nice relaxing cleaning in tonight. I hope you enjoyed the music and the less talking. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe and click that little bell notification. It really does help grow my channel, and I would really, truly appreciate it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
It's not in the performance, no. Feel no need to explain. I'll say it all again. You don't have to show them